There are now more than 870,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases in 180 countries and regions around the world.
The Philippines has announced a lockdown of the entire Metro Manila area to help contain the spread of COVID-19.
Ilang minutong nagtagal ang masigabong palakpakan ng mga residente at empleyado sa Eastwood City sa Quezon City bilang pagbibigay pugay sa mga frontliner sa laban ng mundo kontra COVID-19. Sa mga gusali, nagsabit din ang mga residente ng mga mensahe ng suporta. May isa namang
So you feel like you are at the end. When the walls crack, there's no need to pretend. There's no shame in laying down your arms. There are battles that we just can't withstand. Even heroes fall from trying to they need someone to help them stand. Trust in me this way, 'cause here with you I'll stay. And we both could say a prayer for a better day. You should always know you don't have to walk alone along this winding road. I'm taking you home. You don't have to say goodbye, down to one last cry. I'm picking you up and we will make it through the night. Together we'll survive. Together we'll survive. There's no need to hide away your fears. I can see you're breaking down in tears. In my arms you'll finally see the truth.